We've all heard niche brands are eroding premium brand share, but maybe the best way to beat them is to join them. With today's advanced landscape of data analysis, design capabilities, and production speed, it's incredibly easy and efficient to adapt to the ever-changing trends. In certain spaces, especially ingredient-driven categories like food, beauty, and cleaning, shoppers are more interested in pursuing unique products that reflect their values. To capitalize on this, rather than releasing another new version of an already established product, larger brands should consider rolling out different varieties and innovations as completely new brands. By doing so, they'll be able to cater to a new audience while not alienating their existing customers. They'll also help retailers deliver on key strategies, and they can offer retailer-exclusive brands. A branding agency may seem like the smart place to go for this kind of work, but consider working with someone who knows shopper strategy and how to execute against it, and you may be surprised with what you get.